Okay, so we've got this Amstrad CB900, and we were saying the brackets, they're available from Brickworks at Honley. Exactly the right ones, because I sent him a sample up of a real one to have copied. And this is an Amstrad 900, not a 901, a 900. So you don't get the Roger Bleep and the Channel 9 switch and PA. But these sets are always made in Japan, always a genuine thing, no fake ones. And so the chances are they're going to work well. We've done the power lead on this because it was wired straight in owing to previous bodger, and we're running on a standard replacement mic. So we've got 3.95 watts. I've not heard anybody on it yet though. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger. I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Well, at least there's only one socket on the back, subject to finding it. Tango 21 ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodge, I think we're going to be changing channel soon.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we do have a tone control, but first of all I want you to change to channel 29 please.
Roger that.
Tango 21, are you there?
Yep, roger.
Right, let's play with the tone control.
Right, heading up the lane towards the end of it. Already past doggy daycare, no one there, and passing the passing place. And I'll shortly be at the end of the lane.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Roger, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger Dodger.
Passing Ancaster service station. Kind of looks open, but there's nothing on the display.
Just got a blank book.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads. I was square wheeled, but I forgot to say.
Roger. Yes, I was. Mr. Chippie has a fondness for square wheels, said an AI suggestion on YouTube. AI, I'm really scared.
Well, I do say it a lot, so maybe the computer algorithm thinks I like being square wheeled because I say it a lot.
But the computer doesn't know what square wheels means. I said square wheels there. It doesn't know where square wheels are.
No, it doesn't know what it means, but he knows I say it a lot, so he thinks I must like it.
Yeah, but you don't.
Roger, right, we're now going over the top of the hill.
Well, you're going over the top.
now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going over Scratchy Corner, Wilford. I'm on Amstrad. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going over Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on Amstrad.
I'm on Amstrad CB900, and the radio is doing 3.95 watts output, and I am on a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, that's 900, not 901, so doesn't have the rotor bleed.
Roger that. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over with level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on the Amstrad CB900, doing 3.95 watts, going 1.4 amps, and I will go over to low power. And I can find it at 300 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. It does seem noisier tonight. Low power was a no-go. I had to override the squash, and you were, although I could tell you were there, you were very noisy.
Yeah, it's also 300 milliwatts. So off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. We're not going over Rossby level crossing at all. Going past the petrol station, 138.8 and 144.7.
Roger on that, absolutely loud and clear. Work set, working a treat, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. We're not going over Rossby level crossing at all. Let's go past the petrol station, 138.8 and 144.7.
Roger on that, absolutely loud and clear. Work set, works a treat, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, 10-10. Right, can't fault that. Let's go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900.
Tango 21, setting the Amstrad CB900 into our Midland 76900 base station using a standard replacement mic. We'll try and pop it on low power.